Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. The idiom for today is let the sleeping dog lie. To ignore a problem because trying to deal with it may make the situation even more difficult. Let's take an example. Suppose two people are fighting and you decide to keep yourself away from their fight because if you involve, the situation might get even more complicated. So what did you do? You let the sleeping dog lie. When a dog sleeps, it's better not to disturb it because it might growl or attack us. In the same sense, it's better not to disturb or not to get involved in a situation that might make things even more complicated. So the idiom is let the sleeping dog lie. I didn't want to remind my mother about the broken vase. It was best to let the sleeping dogs lie because if I remind her, she would start scolding me. So what did I do? I let the sleeping dogs lie. We decided to let the sleeping dogs lie and not to take them to the principal. Because if we take them to the principal, things would get even more difficult or complicated. So it's better to let the sleeping dogs lie. It is better to let the sleeping dogs lie when we have small unresolved issues with our family members. It is better not to start a conversation with him. Let the sleeping dogs lie. If I start a conversation with him, he will start talking about the past. So it's better not to talk to him. So what did I do? I let the sleeping dogs lie. So now you have another idiom in your vocabulary bag. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with a new idiom in the next episode. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.